Well, hello class. We are already ready to take our first individual exam. Now, there's a lot of information that's been stuffed into your head up to this point, and we kind of have the layout of all the things that are going to be expected of this class going forward, such as the team project, the individual exams, the case studies, um, and the participative discussions. But having said all of that, when you really break it down, it isn't all that much if you space it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you in about a page and a half to 2 pages for this first individual exam in essay form, either using APA or MLA, okay, which is going to be double spaced in your answer with 3 references. That's what I'm looking for, where you got your information. Now, they could be your book, your PowerPoints, my lectures, the internet. Just know that you're going to be able to document those references, where it came from. Now, you don't have to give me a whole article if one of them you got online. Just upload the URL so I could see where you got your information. All right, so this first exam is going to be essentially to write about a page and a half to 2 pages on what you think. This number one, break it down to 2 sections. What you think management is. Give me some type of an explanation of your perception of management. And in that explanation, how do you think what management is today evolved from all of the things that you studied in Chapter 2? Which Chapter 2 is going to give you the history of management. And we're going to go into a lot about that. We're going to go into McGregor and Foley, and we're going to go into Hertzberg and all of these, Maslow, and we get into behavior. You know, how all these people influence them. Now, it all started out with the father of scientific management. All right? And I want you to be able to take that. I'll give you a clue. His first name was Frederick. And take that all the way to the industrial area. We're going to talk about the industrial area in class. That era was a very big era. But it evolved to how managers react today. So you're going to have to do a little bit of thinking, okay? College thinking now. All right, a couple of pages. You might have to do a few drafts of it, but I want you to be able to explain how the history of management has affected what we think managers are right now. What are they today? How has that evolution worked for them? So that's your first assignment, and it's going to be due a week from this weekend, which I believe will be somewhere around let me check the calendar here, into September. All right, so this will be due on I'll give you a little break here, on the 24th of September. Okay, Monday the 24th. So you essentially have, being the week of the 17th, okay, to tell you the truth, I'll give you till the 28th because I'm assigning it on a Friday. So I'll give you till the following Friday to get it done. So it will be due September 28th, that first individual assignment. Now, if you got any questions on any of this, you can email me, but the quickest way to get me would be to send me a text, 617-842-2856. Okay, that's it, Professor Pacheco. And I'll put the upload for you. I'll put the link in. It'll be right under this webcam.